PUBG has a great run in the world of loot and shoot games, so its creator decided to make another game like this. But now, it looks like the effort has come to an end. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. Greene and his studio PlayerUnknown Productions just announced a downsizing effort. This is the developer originally behind the mega-hit Battle Royale PUBG. The company is laying off an unspecified number of employees and canceling further development of one title, the survival roguelike Prologue Wayback. An early access version of this title has been available on Steam and Epic Games Store since last year for $20. Greene says he's investigating ways for players to get a refund. This early access build will remain available and will be free from now on. The developer pins down the reason as the expenses involved with developing its in-house terrain generation engine Melba. The company will continue making this tech through with smaller teams. Melba was used to create maps for Prologue Wayback. It's also supposed to be a core component of an upcoming massive multiplayer game called Artemis. While Prologue Wayback has been shut down, there's no news about where the development stands on Artemis. PUBG first came out all the way back in 2017, and Greene left parent company Krafton to form PlayerUnknown Productions back in 2021. Apart from games, the company's latest work was when they dropped a tech demo called Preface Undiscovered World that uses Melba and lets people explore an Earth-scale world generated in real time. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.